Welcome. Today I'd like to talk to you about my silverware project. It's called the Daisy Flower Garden Journey Kit, and it's available to troop leaders. My kit includes written session plans that cover 7 sessions to complete your Welcome to the Daisy Flower Garden journey. It also has a take action project idea and resources for it. There's also a series of craft ideas for you to choose from. There's garden journal copy pages that you can make photocopies of and create journals for your girls to use. I created a garden manual, and there's also vegetable snack recipes that are easy for the girls to make. Garden tools are also included in my kits. A YouTube video detailing the basics of gardening, care of vegetable plants, and the importance of growing your own food is also included. A YouTube video of the story reading broken down by chapter is also on my YouTube page. At the end of the binders, there's a journey certificate that you can print out to give to your girls. This whole kit comes in a nicely packed tote-bin. All information is organized and included in a binder to allow for easy viewing and copying of materials. If you want to sign out a kit today, you can contact the counselor.